Hello and welcome back to another glass of bubbly video. My name is Oliver Walkie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Prosecco Firefly Cocktail. So let's get started. First you're going to want to pour in 25 ml of vodka into a jigger or measuring cup, and then pour that into your cocktail shaker. After that you're going to want 75 ml of grapefruit. Pour in 50 this side. This is a lovely cocktail kit available at VonShef.com, 25 in the other side. It's a lovely black colour and a lovely smooth finish. So after that you want to add in a few ice cubes and then shake this thing around a little bit. About 10 seconds should do until the ice needs to start to quiet down. Once the ice has started to melt, then you know it's done its job. So you're going to want to then pour that into your glass. And then now you're going to want to add in your Prosecco. Now this Prosecco is from Ruggeri. First time trying this one. It's DOC. So let's see if it's going to taste nice. Big pop. So you want to top up with Prosecco, and to almost finish off, 25 ml of Grenadine. This will make it very sweet. Adds a nice, lovely colour. And then just garnish off with an orange on the side.